Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the trigger and maintaining the cyclonic tank of your Dyson 14 vacuum cleaner. Let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small container to hold screws. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Dyson 14. Safety is paramount, and we want to ensure no accidental starts during the process. Next, locate the two screws securing the trigger assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in your container to avoid misplacing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the body of the vacuum. Inspect the trigger for any signs of wear. If it appears damaged, it's time for a replacement. When replacing, ensure you align it correctly with the housing before securing it back in place with the screws. Now, let's focus on the cyclonic tank. To access it, press the button located on the top of the tank to release it from the vacuum. Carefully detach the tank and head to your cleaning station. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the insides of the cyclonic tank. This step is crucial to maintain optimal suction. If you encounter any stubborn debris, a damp cloth can help, but ensure the tank is completely dry before reassembling. If you find the cleaning process too tedious or if you lack the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can have your Dyson serviced without any hassle. After cleaning the tank, reattach it to the vacuum by fitting it back into place until you hear a click. This indicates it is securely locked. Next, let's check the filter. Remove the filter from the top of your Dyson 14 and rinse it under cold water. Avoid using any detergents. Allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. This ensures your vacuum maintains its powerful suction capabilities. If you're considering a thorough inspection or repairs, take advantage of our professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can assess any issues without worrying about costs until you're ready. Now, let's put everything back together. Ensure that all screws are tightened securely, and check that the trigger operates smoothly. If you notice any irregularities, it's advisable to consult with a professional. Finally, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in any service you might need. No calls, no travel, just a seamless experience to keep your Dyson 14 in top condition. And there you have it. Your Dyson 14 is now ready for action, with a new trigger and a clean cyclonic tank. Don't forget to maintain your device regularly for the best performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.